Hello everyone, welcome to Ocean of Books. As we know, Zoho Sheets is positioning itself as one of the strong contender for Microsoft Excel. In this particular series, we will see the features how we used to perform in Excel and the same features or the functions how we can perform in Zoho Sheets. To start with, let me go to Microsoft Excel. So here we have a set of data and we have the first name and last name. Let me put the first name here, and I just want to have the same in the same pattern. I just want to have the first name for all the data over here. So there is a feature called flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so how do we go? We just select the range here. Under home we have this series, and here we have this flash fill. Okay, if you just click over here, the same pattern gets repeated. Okay, similarly if I'm just going here Lee, just select the range, go over here, flash fill. Okay, suppose if you want to have an email id, bruce.lee@film.com. Okay, and there is a shortcut key here for this flash fill, which is control e. See here, all the names get, I mean the same pattern gets repeated. So this is what we used to do in Microsoft Excel. Let's see how we are going to do the same thing in Zoho Sheets. Let me go to Zoho Sheets. Let me put the first name here, Bruce. Select the range, and here we have a option called data. Under data, there is a feature called pattern fill. We just click pattern fill. All the first name, the pattern repeats. So in Excel, it is known as flash fill, and in Zoho Sheets, it is known as pattern fill. So now let's put it again. Lee. Select the range here, data, pattern fill. Okay. And now let's put bruce.lee@film.com. And the shortcut key will be the same like what we saw in Excel. It is Control E. I'm just putting Control E. Okay. It just repeats here. So this is what the comparison between flash fill in Excel and pattern fill in Zoho Sheets. So we will come up with more features like this in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Until we see in the next video, keep learning, happy learning. Thank you.